All right, so this is the unboxing of another Hot Wheels 72-piece carton from Mattel Toys. This is carton or case number L2593-974FNW. So let's take a look around, see what it looks like, see if there's anything interesting on the case. On the top, it does have carton number 410486. All right, let's open it up. See what's inside. Okay, open it up. Right. Starting from the top, we got, just back a little bit. We got the long block right there. That's the first one. Second one we have is a Hot Wheels Formula Solar. And on the bottom, the Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. All right, going down to the next row. We have Flippin' Fast. Very cool. Followed by Sushi Tuner, fast foodie. And on the bottom, we got Hoto Roto. Okay, next row, we got 91 GMC Cyclone, followed by a 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. And on the bottom, we have a custom Kia EV6. Push those aside. All right, working our way down, we have a Max Steel, followed by another Flippin' Fast, and then a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. Very cool. Next row, we got a Slide Kick, followed by RD06 in the middle. And then on the bottom, we have a Mazda AutoZom. Cool. Getting to the middle of the first half here. Top one, we got Honda, 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Very nice. Followed by a 71 Dodge Challenger. And on the bottom, Max Steel. Max Steel. On the top of the next row, we have a Diora 3. In the middle, we have a 94 Audi Avant RS2. And on the bottom, we have a 58 Chevy Impala. Looks like it's stuck there. Very cool. Going down to the next row, we have Alpha Pursuit, followed by a 2018 Civic Type R, and then a Range Rover Velar. Very nice. Let's keep going. Next row, we got a Slideburn, followed by another Alpha Pursuit, and on the bottom we got a custom 53 Cadillac. Like a little race car in the back. Next row, we got Skull Shaker, followed by Roger Dodger 2.0, and then a Salt Shaker. Shake it like a salt shaker. All right. Morgan Super 3. Next one is a 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, and then a BMW 2002. Put this aside over here. Last row for the first half. We have a Futurismo on top, followed by a Power Rocket, and then a Rapid Pulse on the bottom. All right, so that's the first half. Let's get into the second half here. So for the second half, let's see what we got. Yep. They do a good job packing these boxes. Second half, we got another Slide Kick on top, followed by 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. And then on the bottom, Nissan Skyline 2000 GT R Liberty Walk. Oops. Next row, we got a Ford Escort, followed by a 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and then a 91 GMC Cyclone. This next row that fell down is the Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition on top, followed by a Driftender, and then another 91 Cyclone. Next row, we have a Slideburn on top, with a 92 Ford Mustang in the middle, and then another Optimus Prime. Yes, we got two Optimus Primes on this case. Going down to the next row, we have a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in the middle with a 68 Dodge Dart in purple, and then on the bottom, TV series Batmobile. And then next row, we have a 67 Chevy C10 truck. In the middle, a 21 Ford Bronco. So I got a little damage, a little bit. And then on the bottom here, we got a Williams Racing Formula One. I have a few of these already, but every time I open them, I love them. They just look so cool. It's awesome. All right, next row, we got a 75 Chevy Blazer Custom, another 21 Ford Bronco, and then a Flippin' Fast on the bottom. All right, next row, we have Hoto Roto on top, followed by another custom Kia EV6. And on the bottom here, a 58 Chevy Impala. Next row, we have Hot Wheels Formula Solar on top, followed by a long block in the middle, and then another Ford Escort on the bottom. And coming down to the next row, we have a Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition, followed by a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and then on the bottom, another Optimus Prime. So I think it's like the third one in this case. They're just throwing those in the cases now, huh? Second to last row, we have a Pixel Shaker on top, followed by a Power Rocket on the middle, and another TV series Batmobile. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Last row, last but not least for this case. Top, we have a BMW 2002. In the middle, we have a Chevy Super Volt and another Batman TV series Batmobile. Very cool. So that's it for this case. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, anything you saw that was cool. Like and subscribe, and we will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.